In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Notion CRM like Salesforce using a free template. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer, having a robust CRM can help streamline your processes and manage client interactions effectively without the hefty costs associated with some premium tools. Let's dive right in. First, start by heading over to Notion. If you haven't already, sign up or log into your account. Notion is a powerful tool with endless capabilities, so it's perfect for setting up a custom CRM tailored to your specific needs. Once you're inside Notion, look towards the upper left corner of your screen. You'll find a small arrow here. Go ahead and click on it. This will expand the sidebar where you'll have access to various features, including templates. Next, within this sidebar, you'll notice a section labeled Templates. Clicking on this will open up the Notion template gallery, offering a wide array of preconceived structures for different use cases. In the search bar at the top right corner, type in CRM Sales. This will narrow down the options to templates specifically designed for managing customer relationships and sales processes. After you've found a template that piques your interest, click on it. This will bring up a detailed preview, allowing you to explore how the template is structured and what features it includes. If it suits your needs, the next step is to add this template to your own workspace. You'll find an Add button. Click this to integrate the template into your Notion account seamlessly. Now that the template is part of your workspace, you're almost ready to start customizing. You'll have the option to decide where you'd like to store this new CRM setup. You can choose between adding it to your main workspace HQ. This is great if you plan on collaborating with a team, or to your private section, perfect for personal use. Select the option that best fits your intended use case. With the template added to your chosen location, click on See Template to open it up and begin the editing process. This is where you can really start to make this CRM your own. Adjust the fields, add notes, remove unnecessary sections, and incorporate your branding style. This flexibility ensures the CRM works precisely how you need it to in your business context. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a Notion CRM system that can rival those expensive ones at zero cost. Remember, the beauty of using Notion lies in its adaptability. You can always return and tweak your setup as your business grows or as your needs change. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.